Welcome to this lecture, and in this lecture we are going to talking about the progress bar widget in Python 3 Tkinter. The purpose of this widget is to ensure that the user that something is happening, it can operate in one of two modes, which is determinant mode and indeterminate mode. The determinant mode, the widgets show an indicator that moves from beginner to the end of the program control. But in the indeterminate mode, the widget is animated. So the user will believe that something is in process. In this mode, the indicator bounces back and forth between the end of the widget. Let's just see the coding example of this progress bar widget and the progress bar scale. Now here I just import the library of Tkinter, and here I just write import static. Now I just write from Tkinter and import ttk library. After that I just write here app which is equal to tk, and then I just write here progress b, or simply I just create the object to this progress bar, where I just write ttk dot progress, or this is p is a capital here, so this is progress bar. So this means that this is the object to this progress bar, okay, and the progress bar here is the keyword. So here I just write app dot, or app which is equal to orient, and the orient here which is horizontal, and here I just write length which is equal to 200. So I just simply set this progress bar into this frame, and this and the orient is which is equal to the vertical, so this will show into the horizontal, and then the length of this progress bar is 200%. Now here I just write progress b which is dot back method. Now here I just write root dot main loop, or sorry, this is not root, this is app dot main loop. Okay, now I just run this code, progress bar, and as you can see here my progress bar is ready. So this is my progress bar. Now I just set intermediate progress bar, or you just say that intermediate loop mode to this progress bar. Simply I just write that progress b dot config, and here I just write that mode which is equal to intermediate, or you just write that, sorry, this is determinate, so this is indeterminate. Okay, progress b dot start, and then I just write progress b dot stop. Okay, now I just run this code. So you can see here this is my progress bar with indeterminate mode. So this is moving like this one. Now we just see how this indeterminate mode work with determinate mode. This is progress b dot config, which is the mode is equal to, I just write that this is determinate, and here I just write maximum, or you just write that maximum which is equal to 11, or you just write that maximum which is equal to 15.0, and sorry about that, 15.0, and here I just write the value, and the value which is equal to 6.2. Close this code here, then progress b dot config, and the config here is the value, and the value here is, I just write here 9.0. So simply you just define your values with yourself, means you can give any of the value to this determinant mode or indeterminate mode. I just write here value which is equal to double variable. So I just take the variable as the double variable, and now progress b dot config, and the config here is variable, and the variable which is equal to value. Now scale, and here is scale which is equal to ttk dot scale. So simply set the scale as well to this progress bar, which is app, and the orient which is equal to horizontal, and here I just write length which is equal to 500, and then the variable which is equal to the value. So here the value from 0.02 is equal to 15.0. So this is the value, and here you just set the comma. Now scale dot pack, I just use the pack method here, and scale dot set which is 4.2. So our code is completed right here. So I just remove the white spaces from this code. So now you can see the complete code of this indeterminate and determinate mode with this progress bar. As you can see here, I just simply import two libraries of Tkinter, which is from Tkinter and import everything, and import from Tkinter and import ttk, all of the libraries to this code. Here I just create a root screen which is equal to app and which is equal to tk, and then close this with the bracket. This means that this is the frame of this widget. Then here I just create a progress bar, progress b, which is equal to ttk dot progress bar. So this means that this is the object and this is the keyword of the progress bar, which is printed on this screen, and the orientation of this screen is horizontal, and the length of this progress bar is 200. So I just run this code, and you can see that I have an error in the line number 9, which is mode which is equal to determinant, and this is maximum, and this is the maximum 15.0, and the value which is equal to 6.2. So yes, so here we are. So I just simply print the progress. So length is 200, and then progress dot pack. So I just set this pack method into this progress bar. Now after that I just write that progress bar dot config with it, which is intermediate mode. So this is not doing anything, so this is simply called the intermediate mode, and then I just write this progress is start and stop. Then here I just write progress dot configure mode, which is determinant, and the maximum value is 15 right here. You can see here this is maximum value is 15. You just write 10, 10, 11, 12, 15, anything, and the value here is 6.2. So as you can see here, I just set restart. So you can see here this is the value which is set it on the 15 maximum, and then the value here is 6.2. Then progress dot configure, which is equal to 9.0. I just create the double as a variable, and then progress b dot config, which is a variable which is equal to the value. So after that I just set this scale to moving this progress bar like this one. You can see here I just set that scale dot ttk dot scale. So I just simply create a scale right here, and then print this scale with the help of app, and then orientation is also horizontal. So the scale size or length here is 500%, and the variable which is equal to value. So I just print this variable value, and then here I just write that from 0.0, so print up to 15.0. Then scale dot packed and then scale dot pack and scale, which is a set of 4.2, and at the last I just write that app dot main loop. So this is a simple example of I just print this indeterminate mode and the determinate mode with the help of Python progress bar. If you find any of the problem regarding to this lecture and any point you not understand, please let me know. I am here to help you. Thanks for watching. See you in next lecture.